Hello, this is John Foster RC, and thank you for checking my channel. Today we are going to launch a new model, and this was courtesy of the RC Elf. Dude, you know who you are. Thank you very much indeed. This has made my day. Uh, Boyhood dream, this one. I wanted to always try to drive one of these great big machines, and well, never got round to it. So now I have one in miniature. Well, if you can call it miniature, that is. This is a different direction for the channel, and the RC Elf, you've made my dream come true with this one. Amazing how people drive these machines. And you're probably asking, well, John, what is it you going to do? What model is coming next to John Foster RC? Yes, and here it is. Boyhood dream. RC Elf, you are amazing. And the guys and girls that drive these machines, wow. In real life, wow. Yes, folks, John Foster has got an articulated lorry in miniature. Well, if you can call it miniature. Just look at the stack we've got there. We've got the Scania R620. We've got the semi-trailer, and we've got that wonderful Euro style MFC03 sound unit. Is this going to be a mammoth build or what? But still, I'm going to be able to learn how to drive an articulated lorry, well, sort of, albeit in 1/14 scale. Look at that, gentlemen. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Boy, oh boy, I'm absolutely speechless with this one. This is a fantastic model and a fantastic kit. I'm probably not going to do a complete unboxing on this one, guys, because there is lots and lots of parts in that box. Yeah, wow. But let's get the box open and have a look and see how it's presented. At least it gives you a sneak preview on what John Foster is going to have to put together and build. And boy, am I looking forward to this one. And here you are. This is what you get inside the main box of the Scania R620. Look at this. Look at all those components in there. You're greeted with all this into place. You've got all the plastic parts in the left hand here. You've got loads more other parts in here. You've got all your wheels and tyres and your bag bits in here. And wow, just look at all of this. And let's see if we can get inside. Let's see if we can get inside and have a look in some of those. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, look at this again. Look. So I'm probably going to change this again because I've been doing some research on here, and the 540 motor is too quick for this machine. And I did go and buy at the same time a Tamiya torque-tuned motor for trucks, but I think that's going to be even further still too quick. So yeah, I'm going to change this out to be something else. Probably going to go for perhaps a 55 or even an 80 turn to slow it down. I have got bearings. I ordered these. Came through bearing packs for both the main truck and the trailer because I wanted bearings on both. So I've got those, and I've got a couple of servos in there as well. You need one for changing the gears, you need one for the steering, and I might even at one stage put the trailer truck where you can lift up the wheels and things. I might even sort that out. But you've got your usual Tamiya bag of bits. Look, oh wow, this is even more fun here. Let's see if we can get this open too. Yes, you'll have to forgive me, folks, if the camera's a little bit shaky. I'm just so I'm so overwhelmed, and I'm just shaking with joy here. But you've got, again, more plastic parts here as well, and you've just got a phenomenal amount of kit to put together. And I haven't even opened the metal trailer yet, so we've got that to do too. And that fabulous Euro style MFC03, where you get the speed controller and sound unit, etc., into one unit to help tidy up those cables. Oh wow, this is going to be an epic build. Just see what I mean, guys. Look, this is the MFC03 sound module unit, and wow, look again, more pieces, more to put together. Oh, look at this. I'm going to be hours and hours and hours on this one. Got sound units, the boxes for it to go in, and all inside here you got the electronic components, the actual box itself. Look, oh my word, look at this. Oh, isn't that amazing? This is going to be one of those builds, guys. It's going to be one of those builds. And again, inside the semi-trailer you get more goodies, boxes inside boxes of the metal components which will be inside here. Guys, I'm going to really look forward to this one. RC Elf, big thank you from me. This is one dream come true. Oh wow, thank you, thank you. This is John Foster RC, John Foster signing out. John Foster is coming to the trucking world. 1919 for a breaker, 1919 for a breaker. Have you got your ears on there? Take care, all the best, and keep yourself safe and well. John Foster out.